Hello, we're going to do our 5 sun salutations, and we're going to throw in a warrior 3 in there to get some balance. Okay, starting off, sun salutation A, number 1. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead, reaching, exhale, forward fold. Hands go down to floor, inhale, come up halfway. Step back into plank, and lower down, low plank. You can also do it on the knees, low plank. Inhale, lifting, chest up. Into cobra, tops of the feet on the ground, cobra, or straight arms for upward facing dog, your choice. Exhaling, bending knees, come into down dog. Okay, shaking the head up, pedaling the feet. It's our first one of the day. Just keep moving. Okay, on your next inhale, look forward. Step both feet to the front of the mat. Come up halfway, so we want to flatten our back and look forward. And exhale now, full forward fold. So bending the knees slightly. Down. Inhale, standing. Opening up the arms, lifting. And exhale back to center. Take a couple steps back to the middle of the mat. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. And now we're going to bring the arms forward, and the left leg is going to start coming back. So this might be enough for balance. Tighten your abdomen. We're coming into our warrior 3. So slowly coming down, relaxing into the pose. So I'm trying to make a letter T, maybe lifting up the leg a little bit more. Reaching through the fingertips, engage the back leg. And slowly coming back up. Okay, so you can see that we all wobble. So, lifting up arms overhead. And now bringing the right leg behind us. Arms are coming parallel with the mat, reaching with the fingertips, and then slowly lifting up the right leg, pushing the right heel away. Strong standing leg, trying not to lock that knee out. So a little bit of a bend in the knee. Tighten our abdomen, trying to lift our leg up a little more. Maybe lifting in the upper torso as well, and then slowly coming back. Okay. Sun salutation A, number 2. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. And stepping into plank. Tighten our abdomen. So we can come to the knees, or we can lower to low plank, also called chaturanga. Inhale, reaching forward, cobra, or straighten arms for upward facing dog. Exhaling into down dog. Pedaling the feet again. So I mean pedaling, pushing one foot in and the other. And you can do it quickly. Okay, bending knees, look forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips. Or the hands can dangle. We just want to have that flat back and look forward. Exhale, full forward fold. Hands come down to the floor, bending knees. Inhale, standing, opening up arms, reaching. Nice body stretch, and then coming back to center. Okay, we're going to do this again. Our warrior 3, also called Virabhadrasana 3. Okay, lifting arms overhead, and lifting the back leg and the arms, or kind of moving at the same time. Strong standing leg, strong back foot. So the toes are trying to point towards the ground. Tighten our abdomen. So ideally we want our hips to be level, so you can take the hands on the hips. It's okay, you can wobble a little bit, or use something to brace the balance. Oops. Lifting arms forward. You can also come out to an airplane pose. The kids like this. Airplane pose. Arms out to the side, pushing the heel away. Bit easier, this is an easier variation. Okay, coming back up. Good. Okay, we're going to start the other side. Lifting up the legs. These aren't legs, these are arms. Lifting up the arms. Okay. So lifting up right leg. Strong leg. Reaching behind. Reaching arms forward. You can see I'm wobbling a little bit. So we can also bring our arms, out to the side. Pushing the heel away. So in our airplane variation, pushing that back heel. So strong back leg. Okay, slowly coming up. walk to the front. Inhale, lifting arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. This is number 3. Head comes down, so we're letting the head rest down. Inhaling, look forward now, so we're flattening our backs and feeling that change in the back muscles. And now stepping into plank, tighten our abdomen, so we're working those deep abdominal muscles and lowering down chaturanga. Inhale, lifting chest forward. Tops of the feet on the mat, either cobra with the arms tight to the side or up dog. Exhale into our downward dog. Let the head release, so shake the head out. You can let the heels drive down to the floor, bend the knees slightly. Okay, on your next inhale, look forward, both feet to the front of the mat. So we're gonna come up halfway. As we inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, standing again, reaching. Coming back to center. Okay, so we're gonna step back. Another way we can do this is we can step one foot forward, step the right foot forward. We're gonna lift the left leg. Arms come overhead. And now reaching it back a bit behind. We can do another variation. We can take the arms behind us. Maybe we can drop our chest, our head down a little bit, lengthening through the crown of the head, lengthening through the spine, pushing the back heel away. And slowly come back up. Okay, step back to the middle, stepping left foot forward, the right leg will come up. Starting off with arms overhead. And allowing our back leg to lift, pushing that right heel away, reaching forward with the hands or bringing them back behind. Tighten our abdomen for stability. That's what we're doing. We're working these deep abdominals, but they're also helping us with our arms and legs. Coming back up. Okay, sun salutation 8, number 4. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up, look forward. So we're halfway, looking forward with our flat back, and then stepping back into plank, lowering down. So trying to keep the elbows tight, trying to keep the whole spine aligned. So let's try not to drop our head as we're coming down. Trying to lengthen through the entire spine, the neck, and lowering down, looking ahead of the mat. Inhale, reaching chest forward into cobra or up dog. Both of these poses, we're trying to reach forward with our chest. So someone's pulling our top forward. Exhale. Bending knees coming to down dog. Pushing the hands on the mat completely and pushing the tailbone upward. Release the head. Big deep breaths. Okay, looking forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips. Big inhale as we're halfway forward fold, and then big exhale, full forward fold, bending knees. Inhale, lengthening, lifting. And exhale, back. Okay, step to the back of the mat. So one more warrior 3. This time we can just do it with our hips. So we've kind of gone from hardest to easiest. So if you want to keep the arms overhead, you can as well. So we could do that as well. So we're going to lift up our left leg, rounding the right, and start off with the leg lifting. So gaining that stability, tightening the abdomen, pushing left heel away. Strong standing leg. The knees, the leg's straight enough, but it's still a little bit of a bend in the knee, a little bit. And then if you want, you can lift the hands forward, reaching. So we're trying to pull the body from the fingertips all the way to the heel. Okay, slowly coming back up. Other side, hands on hips. Inhale, lifting. So lifting. Exhale. And back. That right leg lifts. So we're moving with our head and chest, trying to make this letter T. So you can keep the hands here, or you can reach hands forward. Breathing, feeling strong. Tighten our abdomen. Okay, slowly coming up for our final sequence. Number 5. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. And stepping into plank. And lowering while we exhale down to low plank. Lengthening through the whole body, the heels, top of the head. Inhale, lifting chest forward. Cobra or up dog with feet on the floor. So the tops of the feet on the floor. And exhaling, down dog. Just enjoying down dog. If you ever getting tired of down dog, maybe just bend the knees and shift the weight backwards. So we're taking most of the weight in the legs. We can always do a child's pose as well. So you don't always need to feel that pressure of doing downward dog. It can feel quite heavy on the arms sometimes, quite hard. On your next inhale, look forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Lengthen through the spine, come up halfway, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, head down to the knees. Inhale, standing, rising up. Big inhale, lift the whole body. Exhale, back to center. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you on our next sun salutation day.